We'll start with the 0 time, right?
Okay.
So where is the data?
For example.
This one. This is the difference.
Hmm.
Here you need to write the volume you get, the difference you get. Okay?
The difference.
But for
okay.
the first reading, there was nothing. So that's why it will be 0. And then you take reading after every
Okay.
5 minutes, right? So you will not write 5, 10, 15. You will just write 5. Okay? For example, here. Let me okay, all 5, because it's an interval of 5 minutes. And then for example you have 0.058. the difference for the first one is this one. Then is 0.078. then you have 0.077.
But
then
Abdullah said to me,
yeah,
the doctor make like something wrong in this
no, it's okay.
in the pressure when I calculate.
Yeah. Because we need to it's not about here that he put
because
some
if
value.
you see the permeance,
Because we need to put the pressure on which we are tested. He just mentioned pressure, he just give the random value so that later we can change it. Okay. So for example, you put your all the value of the mass. Now here you see this is the pressure, right?
Okay.
So you will write your pressure on which you tested the membrane. Okay. And then you will write the name and the date of the test. Okay. So now this is here when you go. Okay. Now see all the columns that are selected. So it should be this one, and your pressure, this one. So now this is not selected, right? So this is here. If you see C30, let's go to C30. C30 is this one. Okay. Then divided by 1000. Then C2. C2 is, let me go back to C2. C2 is this one. This is standard for everyone. So it will not change. So now this value is also correct. Then B30. B30 is also correct. So whenever you are going, for example, you are clicking here, you should have this value and this value in your formula. And then this one value also. Okay. And then now divided by 60. This is standard number. So you do not need to change. For example, 1000 you do not need to change. Then we have C7. So now we will go back C7 and see which they selected. So here C7, this is selected, but we are not doing this one, right? We have to select the column of our requirement. For example, our requirement is this one, C25. So C will remain same, and then you will write 25 here. Okay. Now it's selected. Okay. So now all these values are near, like with each other. For example, this one you can see, and then you will press. Okay. It's 0.83. So again this one you will correct here that this is
the pressure
25. Okay. And then again this one you will correct. So because he make one Excel sheet, he cannot make.
So the first I should copy the.
Yeah.
Can you just repeat the last?
Exactly. First of all, what you should do is to, for example, I have now new test to do. Okay. What I will do, I will just copy this much, because this one doesn't have any value. Okay. I will copy it and then I will paste here. Okay. So when I will paste here, I will change the pressure. Okay. For example, my pressure, I will say, okay, now I'm testing on 1.51. Okay. Now this is done. And I have few values to go for, right? So I will break this down. Okay. So when I will break this down, for example, here I have 5 minutes because my time interval is 5. So I will just copy paste, or I will drag this so it will be copy paste. So I will go there, and here I will say copy cell. So it will copy, and here I will write my value. For example, I am writing 0.43 maybe, and then 0.42 for example. Okay. And then maybe 0.38, and then maybe 0.038. like this, or maybe
And
then,
after
yeah,
that, I should
0.04.
change the pressure.
Yeah.
Because
No, it's depend. You can change after, you can change before. It depends on you. But the
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
is that here,
Yes.
now if you see here, when I was there, I wrote minute. It's not.
Now it is. It will calculate the first one, which the doctor set the value on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But every time when we are going to do the calculation, because when I was there, I
Okay.
took pressure from here. This is
Yeah.
C25. Now
Yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah.
Here, right? So I will take pressure H25.
Okay.
So I will go to the flux. 1 minute. Here I will click on the flux. All this is correct. This is correct. C2 is correct. It is same for every calculation, because this is the area of the cell.
Okay.
So we are not going to change it. Okay.
Okay.
And this thing is not C7 now. It's H25. So we will write H. Here we will write H, and then here we will write 25.
Or you can change from the top.
What the top?
Here.
Here?